Welcome to the Oversized Family Concierge Suite at Beaches Negril. Let's go ahead and check it out. So first we're going to start in the bathroom area. So it's a nice big bathroom area. This is one of the oversized suites. So you have 2 double sinks. You're giving that some step stools down below for the kids so they don't have to worry about getting up to that sink height. You got lots of storage in here. Lots of places to put clothes. These cute little robes. So they got robes for the kids as well as robes for the adults in there as well. There's iron safe sandals that you can wear around the room as well. So they try to think of everything with these rooms. And then you've got toilet and shower in here. And then we'll come back out this way and take a look at our main living area. So you've got your king bed. And then this is your day bed and trundle. So this trundle does pull out. So you can sleep another child down here. And then you can also get a rollaway bed as well. So this room will sleep 5. And then we've got our drink station over here, your Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee, teas, all of that, as well as your cold drinks, juices, bottled waters, soda. You can have alcohol available upon request, but since this is a beaches resort, they don't automatically include it in your room like they do at Sandals. And then out here, you've got your patio furniture, and a nice view of the ocean right out to the side. So this is your family concierge suite at Beaches Negril.